am going to test blending stump and cotton buds on my eye drawing. I will show you which one works better and how we can use them together to make eye more realistic. Blending stump, as you clearly see, is sharp and precise. I use it for details like eyelid, crease, corners and lashes. The cotton bud is soft and smooth and perfect for shading bigger areas like iris and under eye. Now I am going to show you how I combine their effects to make eye more realistic. The blending stump is sharp and precise, so I use it for the details like eyelid crease, corners and eyelashes. The cotton bud is soft and smooth, so it is perfect for the shading like the areas of iris and under the eye. So my secret is using both of them together to make eye more realistic. So which one do you prefer? Comment your opinion in the comment section.